quick reading for January the 13th to January the 14th. A Capricorn, we have the Five of Swords, the Emperor, the Knight of Cups. So kahit na siguro sabihin natin matigas ang ulo, whether matigas ang ulo mo, matigas ang ulo ni person, matigas ang ulo niyong dalawa, it doesn't matter. Para kasing kahit papano, kahit nandoon yung somehow it feels rejection, somehow parang, nagmamataas ako, ayoko pa rin ako yung mauna. Pero at the back of their mind or probably they're crossing their fingers na sana magkaayos pa. So meron pang pag-asa ito dahil ang nakikita natin dito, mabagal lang yung takbo ng flow of either reconciliation, fixations, no, continuation of the connection. Pero this will still kasi kung meron lang magpapakumbabaan, no, Capricorn. Pero it seems like being a Capricorn, you're waiting for your person to actually reach out and probably admit, no, kung sino talaga ang unang nagkamali. Of course, it's not you. And yun lang naman yung inaantay natin. Kahit nasabihin natin sa sarili natin na ayoko na. Pero pag narinig natin yun, it felt like na mapagbibigyan pa uli. No? So this is your quick reading, Capricorn, for January the 13th to January the 14th.
Predicting future is my purpose.